Hello, people of YouTube. We are back at it again, ladies and gentlemen. Bad Vibes Forever Collection. Here we are, unboxing, unwrapping, whatever you call it. If you read that motherfucking title, you know, right here. Insane piece, okay? Insane piece, ridiculous, amazing, all that, okay? We got ourselves here. Well, it's already open. Fortunately, it came to open, guys. I know. It came unopened. What can I do? Nothing. Just happy the product was not damaged during the delivery. All right. All right. Okay, I'm pretty freaking excited. So this is gonna be lit. Okay, y'all ready? I'm ready. You guys ready? Let's freaking get into it, ladies and gentlemen. The Bad Vibes Forever tricolor hoodie sample. Here we go. We're gonna get it out of this package. Okay, hold up. Oh my gosh. Oh god, dude. Dude, it's oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Ready? Everyone ready? I'm ready. You guys ready? I'm ready. You guys ready? All right, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like, oh wow. Okay, so first impressions, this thing is literally like it's similar to the OG one, the X War, because it's like embedded into it. It's not popping out like what we got general release. But what's special is this thing is huge. Like, this is the biggest Bad logo. Oh my gosh. It's like, okay, you guys can see it for sure. It's got like a sparkle shine to it. That's different as well. It's not just like the color threading. It's like the color threading plus shiny thread. Yeah, you can see that for sure. You can see that. So, okay, this is interesting. The tag is going to be very interesting. So, no further ado, we got to get this bad boy opened up all the way. Holy crap, it really is that small. Okay, so just so you guys know, this thing is a small, okay? A small. So, we're going to see just how small this is. Oh my gosh, this fits like a baby. Guess I'm not wearing this. That's for dang sure. Okay. Here it is, all of its glory. Well, hold on, let me fix these sleeves a little bit. So, right off rip, what I notice, difference-wise and same-wise, this thing looks like, blank-wise, this is the 2019 release. Well, this is what everyone got in their you know, bundles, orders, whatever. Because, like, you know, the pale yellow and, yeah, it's really, how you can pretty much tell. It just looks like that release, but that's where it's different, is this embroidery is completely different. I believe this is a sample or prototype or whatever you want to call it. I've only seen one picture of this hoodie being worn by some dude next to Cleo, X's mom. And yeah, so I think it's just like a prototype type thing. And this tag is different as well. We don't get this tag on the 2019 releases nor on the OG. So that's very interesting. Take that out after. Oh, would you look at that? It's even got the wow, it's got the OG size tag. That's actually insane. If anyone knows where this is from, maybe do some research and figure out the blank, because that's always been interesting. Let's see if there's a, not soft, that's for dang sure. Let's see if there's like an inside tag. I know the ones that we got 2019, they had a tag, but these do not seem like they have a wash tag. Yeah, no wash tag. Just in case, you know. Ooh, that's actually cool. Check that out. Oh, let me flip it. This is what it looks like on the inside, guys. It is shiny, definitely shiny. Y'all can see that now. Nothing else in here we're showing though. I'll show the back for the one time. The video's already going on way too long, in my opinion. But yeah, here's back. This thing really is small, but hey, makes me just not want to wear it because it's a freaking sample and small. But yeah, freaking, this is hype, stupid, crazy. I can't believe I got this. No metal eyelets, sadly. I got freaking lucky. I can't believe the seller just didn't know what they had type thing. You know what I'm saying? I can't believe they didn't freaking, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Enjoy these last few moments of the embroidery, because that's literally why we're all here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look how big the Bad is compared to the rest of it. Yeah, you could say it's because it's a small that it looks this big, but when you do this, you know that, this is not what everybody else got, my friends. Wait, why did I do that voice? Anyways, yeah, I'm freaking hyped. This is sick. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bad Vibes Forever here. Signing off. Peace.